So this is Wi-Fi. This is using the spectrum analysis tool. And now I'm going to turn on the microwave. Notice these spikes here, so you can see things in channel 11, channel 6, channel 1, but then you also have some people running Wi-Fi in channel 2, channel 3. You really should never do that. Microwave's on, and see how all of the signals are blowing out and turning red. Good luck communicating with anything. The second the microwave goes off. So with a good wireless design utilizing 5 gigahertz, let's take a look at what happens on 5 gigahertz when we turn the microwave on. Notice there aren't any spikes. It's not affecting the performance of the wireless network.